In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Wufoo forms to collect webinar registrations. Whether you're hosting a small, intimate session or a large-scale webinar, using a Wufoo form can make organizing your participants easy and efficient. We'll walk you through the entire process, from logging into your account to testing your form, ensuring you're all set to welcome your attendees. First things first, let's get started by logging into your Wufoo account. Open your browser and head over to wufoo.com. Once you're on the home page, enter your login credentials to access your dashboard. If you haven't used Wufoo before, you'll need to sign up for an account, but assuming you're already registered, simply log in and we can begin. Now, moving on to building your form. This part is a lot of fun because Wufoo's platform makes it easy with their intuitive design. Start by adding the essential fields for your webinar registration. These fields will gather all the necessary information you need from your participants. Be sure to include spaces for the full name, email address, company name, and job title of each participant. If your webinar has multiple time slots, you might also want to add a field for preferred webinar time, so that attendees can choose the one that suits them best. This way, you ensure that all crucial information is collected for seamless communication and planning. Once you have the essential fields in place, let's talk about customizing the appearance of your form. Wufoo offers a fantastic drag-and-drop interface, making it straightforward to arrange your fields in an order that makes sense to you. More importantly, it also allows you to incorporate your branding. This means you can add your company's colors, logo, and other branding elements to make your form look professional and consistent with the rest of your branding materials. A well-branded form not only looks appealing, but also assures participants that your event is organized and trustworthy. Before we finish, there's one more crucial step: testing your form. It's important to ensure that everything is functioning as it should. Go ahead and submit a test entry by filling out the form as one of your attendees would. Pay close attention to each field, ensuring that it behaves correctly, captures the information accurately, and submits as expected. This step is key to avoiding any hiccups once the form is live. If you find any issues, you can go back and make necessary adjustments. With these steps completed, your Wufoo form is ready to go. You can now share your form link with prospective webinar attendees through email, on social media, or embed it directly onto your website. By making your registration process smooth and straightforward, you encourage more participants to sign up and join your webinar. Thank you for watching, and good luck with your upcoming event.